When beetroot are looking this good, well, we've got to celebrate them and make a delicious dish. Adam Swanson, what are you making me?
Making beautiful beetroot insalata salad, Juz, with whipped ricotta underneath, little vincotto, hazelnuts. We've got some water in our pot here.
Okay.
I'm gonna get you to trim the tops off, so the leaves.
Yep. And we have given them a really good wash because they obviously come from the soil.
Yeah.
So a good wash before they get boiled.
Definitely. So we're adding in some red wine vinegar
Okay.
into our water. A couple bay leaves, in they go. So a few aromats. Some thyme, no need to pick off straight in.
Yep.
And just a nice pinch of peppercorns, like so.
Yep.
Now, this part of the beetroot, the leaves, you know, what do you do with this? You can take this, give it a good rinse, use it in stir fries, yeah? Instead of having spinach or something like that, add this in there.
Yep.
Really nice as a salad too.
Nothing goes to waste.
Exactly right.
There we go.
So in with our beets are going to go into the water and our vinegar liquid.
Yep. And these are medium-sized ones. You can get quite large ones too.
You can get ones that are like the size like that.
Yeah,
Huge.
yep, absolutely.
So again, with cooking times, Juz, we're going to bring that up to the boil.
Yes.
And allow them to cook around an hour to an hour and a half.
Yep.
Depending on the size of the beetroot. The way to check, always, just get your knife, place it through. If it's nice and tender, it's ready to go.
So easy. And if you didn't want to add the vinegar and everything else, you could just boil them, and that's the way you cook them. I also steam them.
Yeah.
Really easy. Or pressure cook them. Pressure cook in 20 minutes. They're
Wow,
cooked.
never ever done that.
Yeah.
Time to try.
Oh, I just love them. And we've got more over here.
Yeah, I love all the different exotic types of beetroot. So
Yep.
this one here, we call this a candy beetroot, and we'll show you shortly. We're going to open it up. Golden beets. Delicious, delicious. So
Great.
prep for these, Juz. We just got to peel them.
Okay.
This salad, Juz, is obviously two different forms of beetroot. We've got
Yep.
our boiled, kind of pickled beetroots, hot, and then these raw ones.
Beautiful.
So it's got that nice little crunch to it.
And they're so earthy. You smell them. They're earthy, they're sweet, and they're so good for you too.
They are, aren't they?
I love them.
So we're just going to grab a little mandolin. So we're
Okay.
just going to slice away, like so.
Ooh. Wow, and look at that. The colour.
Yeah, so that's the candy beets.
They are stunning. So we're just going to finely slice these ones, and we're going to do the same for the yellow?
Yeah, same with the golden beets. Then we're just going to wait for our other beetroots in the pot to cook, and then we're going to peel them and then put it all together.
Too easy. I'll get on to peeling the rest of these then.
Thank you. So, Juz, our candy beets and our golden, I've just washed them, given a bit of a rinse, so they're all ready to go. We have our red vein sorrel for our mix as well. Now, our cooked beetroots. Oh, yeah.
Super tender.
They are, okay. So at this point, need to get some gloves on.
Fantastic. Yeah, they do
Otherwise-
stain, don't they?
Oh, they stain, don't worry, trust me, I've done it. And for a week, I had pink, lovely pink fingers.
I think the more it stains, you know, the more intense the flavour is going to be, so it's worth it.
Very good. So whilst I'm going to peel these and then slice them up, Juz,
Yes.
you want to get onto the whipped ricotta.
Fantastic.
So just taking some cow's milk ricotta, going to add some olive oil, good splash, some salt and pepper, and blend it till smooth.
The gorgeous ricotta delicata, so it's extra creamy. So olive oil goes in.
So this is how you know when they're cooked. Look at that.
Do you know, I actually find that the best job. You've got the best job there because it's
There we go.
therapeutic to see that skin just fall off it, and then look at that, how glossy and perfect it is.
I'm more than happy to swap jobs here if you want to do this.
That's all
Like,
right.
seriously.
No,
it's all good.
I'll do the ricotta. Okay, that's good to go.
Nice. Look at them. Tender, soft, sweet.
So tender. And I like how you're just cutting them roughly. They're not perfect.
Yeah. Okay, so into the bowl.
Okay.
Now we're just going to basically coat them with the vincotto.
It's made from grapes and it's very sweet. So again, great in dressings like this. How much though?
Go. I'll let you know. Keep going, Juz.
It's almost like a sweet balsamic, but it's not acidic at all.
Perfect. Now, good pinch of salt.
Yum, love it.
Vincotto and ricotta with beetroots is a match made in heaven.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we need to give
Pepper.
that.
Bring it up for you.
Yeah. So we're just going to mix that through. Just a splash of olive oil as well, if I can.
Yes, sir. There we go.
Aha. Now, look at the colour. Look at those beets. Seriously, if you have never cooked beetroots before, give it a go because it's so worth it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Done.
All right, let's plate up.
Salad time. So, a little bit of the sorrel, in that goes. A little bit of a...
Actually looks like a beetroot leaf, doesn't it?
It does. So colour, and colour. More of our candies, in they go. Pinch of salt, some seasoning, pepper, splash of olive oil, Juz, please.
Yes. So there's essentially 3 components to this salad. You've got the raw side of it, the cooked side of it, and then the creaminess which ties it all together coming from the ricotta.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so plating up, really easy. Spoonful of that onto the base, please.
All right, all of it?
Give it a good amount, yeah. That's it, nice. And we just give
pass
that
that
bit
to
of a
you.
spread. So that's our dressing, I guess, for the
Yum.
salad. Then our beets, our wonderful cooked beetroots.
The colour contrast, isn't it gorgeous?
Ah, it is. Takes a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. Then just some of our leaves, some of our candies.
Look at the concentration.
Oh, this is a
You're
little bit
passionate
fancy.
about this one.
Oh, this one, you know what? I've just put this on my menu at the restaurant and my chefs are like, oh, chef, you know, they get excited too because we love food.
Wow.
Just a little bit of hazelnuts there. I've just roasted off and taken the skin off.
Did you want them chopped or
Yeah,
leave them
just
whole?
roughly
Yep,
chopped.
Just roughly chopped.
Yep. Good luck with them not running away from you.
I know, I'm going very slowly. There we go.
Nice. Scatter on top, just go for it.
That is a salad you actually want to eat because there's so much flavour in it. Let's have a taste.
Verdict time, Just.
Verdict. Look how tender. They're naturally sweet and they're earthy. And it's just one of those salads where you can't stop at one mouthful. That whole dish, I could just have that with a glass of wine, bit of crusty bread, perfection on a plate. Cheers, Swanee.
Thank you.